up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. As you can tell from the title, we are going to be installing a U-Part wig. The U-Part wig that I am going to be rocking today is going to be from Dola hair. As you can see for me inserting the clips on the screen, this is how the wig came packaged. What I love so much about the wig is the construction of it. To me, I feel that when it comes to these U-Part wigs, one thing I'm looking for is the actual clips, and then on top of that I'm looking for an adjustable strap or an elastic band, for the simple fact that just in case the wig cap does not fit my head properly, I can go ahead and adjust the elastic band as well as band inside of the wig so that it can properly fit my head. Now, as you can see, this wig is bone straight. It is very sleek, silky, and it's a long, so it's definitely giving us inches in this video. So I'm popping myself on the screen right now. As you can see, my hair is back into a ponytail, and I took some of I left a little bit of leave out around the sides. Please forgive me if the lights isn't adjusting the way that they should be. As y'all know, daylight saving time has already hit, so it gets darker a lot early. So although it's not even 6 o'clock yet, it's already dark where I am. So I wanted to make sure y'all could see me good and clear, and if I didn't turn these lights on, then y'all wouldn't really be able to see me as much as I would like for y'all to. So yeah, that's why we are working with this. So off camera, I went ahead and I added some curls to this hair. Now, honestly, straight out of the pack, the hair is gorgeous without you having to add anything else to it. I'm telling you, the shine, the luster, the body that you see coming, the body that you see the hair has, that is the wig. I did not have to wash and condition the wig at all. I love to just show y'all exactly what the hair looks like out of the pack so you can see the realness of the hair without me going in and adding my little jazz to it. So that is the wig straight out of the pack, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some curls to it. Now, anytime you add any type of heat to the hair, you want to make sure you are using heat protecting spray. Now, the one I'm going to be using, I love the way it smells. It's from Silk Elements. It has a coconut smell to it. I love this actual heat protecting spray, so I'm going to spray that all over the wig, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add some curls to it. I just used a regular flat iron. I believe I got this from Walmart. It's by Revlon. I just went ahead and I just flipped some curls inside of the wig. As you can see, this hair curled flawlessly. Not only did it curl flawlessly, but it's definitely holding the curls without me having to put any type of spray on it. So I didn't put any got to be glue spray. I didn't put any type of hairspray on it at all whatsoever. This is going to be the curls in its full natural state. I'm just going to show you exactly how easy it is to install this unit. We are going to go ahead and clip this in with the little bit of leave out that I have, and then I'm going to come back on the screen to show you the finished product. As you can see, this is the finished look. I decided to go ahead and turn around the other way because those lights were a little bit too much for me. So as you can see, my hair is a lot shorter than the actual extensions, but I love the fact that it gives it that layer and dimensions to it without me actually having to cut this hair. So I love the fact that it gives it that. And if you don't know, I just recently cut my natural hair, so I'll be inserting that video down below as well if you would like to know about that. But that is the reason why my hair is a lot shorter, because if it wasn't, it will be down here and it will blend in right with the extensions. Now I may go in and actually take my scissors and kind of layer it a little bit. I wanted to avoid putting the scissors on this hair as much as possible, just because I feel like when you put the scissors in your hands, sometimes you can get a little scissor happy and you get to cutting stuff that you ain't even supposed to be cutting. So I wanted to avoid that as much as possible. So yeah, this is what we are working with when it comes to this wig. Now, one thing I can definitely say, that although it's very soft, it was very easy to manage. I don't have any tangles, no shedding. I do wish this wig was a little thicker. Now, for this to be long, I believe this is 22 inches, 20 or 22 inches. I'll definitely be popping it in the screen, of course. But for this to be a long wig, I don't know, like, this is one side and then this is the other side. You see how thin it is? I just would like it to be thicker. And I know that it's just me. It's not that it could be me. I know that it's just me, just for the simple fact that I just love full hair. Like, I love a lot of hair. Has to have a lot of body, has to have thickness to it. Like, I would have liked it to be a lot thicker so that it could like hang off my shoulders and stuff like that. Like, all of that be full to where you can't really see my shirt. So yeah, I am absolutely loving this wig, y'all. I like to call these U-Part wigs 5-minute sew-ins. You know how when you go to the salon, you have to sit for maybe like 2 hours just to get a sew-in and for her to style your hair? Not anymore, sis. With these U-Part wigs and the way that they are constructing them and making them, you can literally just pop this on and go. And of course, it is human hair, so you can dye it if you want to. You can curl it any way that you want to, and it is definitely going to last you a while. And then of course, like, I know most people, they don't like to sleep in their wigs, so you can literally just take this off and pop it on and go when you are ready. Like, I love the convenience of it. I love how it's beginner friendly. I love the fact that it's versatile, and y'all already know I'm always here for the protective styles. So of course I'm gonna leave all of the information in the description box for Dola hair. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.